G'day guys, it's Robert from Outback Equipment. Today we're looking over the range from Relaxn with your trim and tilt block and your hydraulic steering locks as well. So in this video guys, we'll show you how to choose the correct one, how to install and how to cut it down the right size. With your trim and tilt block here, measurements on this one here are 150mm long by 45mm wide with a diameter of your trim and tilt ram of 22mm. So why would you choose to install one of these? Well, importantly, when towing to and from the boat ramp, your outboard experiences a lot of extra pressure on bumpy roads, moving up and down. So we recommend relieving that tension around your trim and tilt ram, installing one of these trim and tilt blocks. So with the trim and tilt ram on the 150 Yummy, we're having to cut this block down to size. So now that you've cut that to size, you're right, basically put that straight on the ram, click that one in. With your trim and tilt, we're just trimming that whatsoever down, just taking that little bit of pressure off, and that's it, job done. Another great method too, something that everyone should have, if you've got hydraulic steering, we've got hydraulic steering blocks here from Relaxn. Great little product obviously too for again when towing. These are a nice quick install one too. All you're having to do is center your outboard in terms of your steering. On the ball ram of your hydraulic steering on the front here is just simply clicking it on that position and doing exactly the same on the other side. That's the install of those two products there guys, again from Relaxn. Probably one of the best ways in terms of towing your outboard motor. You can pick these products up from outbackequipment.com.au every day of the week. If you've got any comments, be sure to leave them down below. If you're unsure of any of the sizes, again, questions, please do so. If you've liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and we'll check you in the next video.